After this video, you'll be able to perform 3 basic tasks. You'll be able to add new products to our system. You'll be able to train our algorithm to recognize them. You'll be able to take products that are not performing well and retrain them so they can be recognized better. And lastly, whenever there is a package redesign for a product, you'll be able to update our system and retrain that product so once again it can be properly recognized. For all these tasks, you'll be using our OPS web app. So the first step is for you to log in using your credentials, which will have been provided to you by a member of our team. Once you log in, at the bottom, you'll see a section called Operation. Navigate there. At the bottom of that, you'll see a section called Product Management. There you will see the 3 features we'll be talking about: how to add new products, how to retrain existing products, and how to load our product database to see what is the package or packages that have been trained. Let's start with the first one, adding products. Select that button. And here you'll be prompted to enter the UPC code for the product that you want to train. In this case, we're going to be training this product here. You can manually type it, or you can use a third-party app. In this case, we're using one that's called Scan. It can give you more information as a follow-up to this training video. Basically, you're just doing copy and paste. Paste the UPC code. Our system will search for it. If it doesn't find it, you'll have to create an entry for it. You have to give it a name. Specification is just the size. And give it a price. Next, you'll be taking a photo of that product. It does not have to be on a neutral background. You just have to make sure that you crop it to approximately a square. Our system will remove the background. Once it's uploaded, you complete the entry. And you will see that the entry is pending review. Then notify someone in our team and we'll take a look and approve the entry, making sure that it's cropped to a square and that the background has been completely removed. Once we approve it, it's ready for data collection. The system will then ask you, do you have 2 samples of this product? Do you have a cooler that you can use? If the answer is yes, you can move on to the next step. And then a barcode scan will load within our system. There's a QR code that it's going to be looking for. And that is a QR code that is going to be accessible through VMS on the machine section. If you look to the far right, you will find the QR code for that particular machine. You can go to VMS, have it available, or you can print it, which is what we're doing here, and scan it if you're going to be doing this multiple times. Once you scan the QR code, you're telling the system the video that's coming from this cooler is what's going to be used to train the product. Select OK or select Done, and then the system's going to ask, is this a product you want to train? You can confirm. The door will unlock. And at that point, you have 30 seconds to take the product on the left, the center, and the right of every shelf, from top to bottom. If you have some time left over, you can place it in a few more locations But as the time is about to run out, you want to grab their second sample, and a second timer will begin. You close the door. The system will know the door has been closed. They will ask you, do you want to move on to another product or are you done? In this case, we'll select end collection. Then we have to wait a little bit of time. It can take up to 30 minutes for the product to train itself, and then it will be available for your use. And that is how you train our system to recognize new products.